Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache on both iPhone and Android. For iPhone users, start by opening your Settings app. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find the Instagram app and tap on it. Now tap on Offload app, then confirm by tapping Offload app again. This will clear the Instagram cache while keeping your data. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall app to download Instagram again. Important note, you may need to log back in, so make sure you remember your login details before doing this. For Android users, the process is even simpler. Open your settings, find Apps or Application Manager, then locate Instagram. Tap on Storage and you'll see a Clear Cache button. Just tap that and you're done. No need to reinstall. And that's it. You successfully cleared Instagram cache and freed up storage space on your device. This should help fix Instagram storage issues, improve app performance, and resolve any glitches you might be experiencing. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.